Hello mga boss, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, wala muna tayong MMORPG mga boss. So this is Frost Kingdom. Right now CBT siya at may chance kayo makapag-earn ng cross token even though it's CBT only guys. So finish in the top 20 guilds ranking, you can see here. So up to 20 ang pwede makakuha ng cross token for free mga boss. So make sure lang na meron kayo alliance. So napakasimple lang ng game. So you just need to build your kingdom and try to farm and help your alliance to grow mga boss. Okay? So right now this is my alliance and I'm helping them to build a nice and be on the top mga boss. So yun lang yung simpleng gagawin mga boss. Always help your alliance, technology, territory. Help your alliance like this one mga boss. So this is the key to earn cross token here in Frost Kingdom right now in the CBT event. Okay mga boss, so napakasimple lang. Join alliance, okay? So join alliance, help your alliance. So right now, we are on top 50, something like that. So napaka layo pa nun. Di ko lang alam kung papasok kami dito sa top 20 mga bossing. Okay? So yun ang Frost Kingdom. So about dito sa Frost Kingdom, you can download it on APK or Google Play Beta. You can also play it on iOS if you pre-register on both devices mga boss. Okay, sa tokenomics nila hindi pa natin sure kung kailan nga ba mailalabas. So detailed and tokenomics will be revealed soon. Full token structure and distribution plan will be announced ahead of the launch. So there's no exact explanation how you can earn, but I think you need to earn this diamonds guys to be able to earn some crypto here in Frost Kingdom. Okay, so this is a Web3 game. This is not a Web2. Okay, a Web3 game, the first SLG game. Okay, in Web3 mga boss na solid at talagang marami kang pwedeng gawin mga boss. Okay, so like this one. Kanya ba yan? Nagsusugura, nagtutulungan ng mga alliance. You can do trials like this one. You can go and rally 10 times mga boss. Okay, and auto deploy something like this and deploy it. So rally has been launched, and if you want to get another, this one, go and rally to this one. So napakasimple guys, simple gameplay, but it's not boring guys. Okay, you can do, so one day of gameplay is not enough for this game guys. Okay, so it's a free to play, anyone can play. So but the thing is, or the question is it a pay to win or a free to play friendly game mga boss? Okay, so yun lang yung masasabi ko about this game guys. So this is my alliance. Okay, look to my alliance guys. It has a more members, so 31, 40, 35. So I'm currently on 25 only, but they accepted me. So I need to help them. Always help your alliance. Help them if they need something guys. Okay, so that's the important of this. Alliance gift, claim all. Okay, rare gift. Okay, so always look for your alliance, what they need. So make a wish. Technology. So this technology, you can donate every day. You can donate diamonds. Okay, so it's better to donate diamonds. It will help a lot and it will grow your alliance more faster. So achievements, claim all this every day and try to reproduce and make yourself powerful enough and help your alliance. So again, to earn here, you need to be on the alliance because the reward pool is for the guilds only or the alliance guys. Your guild or alliance must be on the 1 to 28 ranking so you can earn guys. Okay, so I think this is Potsky guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood and peace out.